Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean your washing machine. Washing machines do a lot of the heavy lifting in your house. They keep your clothes, bedding, and towels fresh and clean. But over time, dried fabric softener, soap scum, and other debris can leave marks on your clothing and even cause bad smells inside the machine. That's why it's important to clean it regularly. To help prevent odors and mold, get into the habit of removing laundry promptly after a cycle. You should also remove any debris or pet hair you see left over in the tub and leave the washer lid or door open afterwards to air it out. Start by cleaning out the softener and detergent dispensers. On front load models, you can remove the whole drawer and let it soak in a sink full of hot water with half a cup of white vinegar added. For top loaders, if you can remove the detergent or softener dispensers, you can do the same. Otherwise, use a small brush to reach inside and make sure the holes aren't clogged up, and then wipe them out with a damp cloth. While the components are soaking, check the area inside and around the dispenser and make sure to clean out any soap residue or debris. Now we can clean out the filter if your machine has a removable one. This type of filter is mostly found on front load washing machines. Top loaders usually have a self-cleaning filter that doesn't require any regular cleaning. Look at your manual to see how it's removed if you have a filter design that's not covered here. If you have the type of filter with a small access panel in front, you can open it and use the hose to drain the filter body into a bowl. If you don't have the smaller access panel, you'll have to remove the access panel from the washer to get to the filter. Turn the filter counterclockwise to remove it from the pump body. Have a towel ready to catch any water that may come out. Once you have it out, you can clean any gunk out of it, as well as out of the filter opening. If it's really dirty, you can even let it soak in the sink full of hot water and vinegar you prepared earlier. After a good soak, you can scrub all the components, then rinse, dry, and put them back in the washer. If you have a front loader, we can turn our attention to the door gasket. Oftentimes they accumulate animal hair, mold, and other debris in the various folds. Take a washcloth dipped in white vinegar and thoroughly wipe down the gasket and make sure to lightly scrub any high dirt areas. Don't be afraid to use a lot, but make sure to crack a window open since the fumes can be potent. Then let it stand for a few minutes. Then go back in with a damp cloth dipped in clean water to scrub it down, making sure to get any remaining residue under every fold, then let it dry. Now we can clean the exterior of the machine. Any all-purpose cleaner will do. Simply spray the cleaner on a washcloth and wipe everything down. Next, clean the inside of the door. You can use the same vinegar you used on the door gasket earlier. Add it to a washcloth and thoroughly wipe it down. Lastly, we're going to run two different cleaning cycles. First, add 2 cups of white vinegar to the detergent dispenser of your empty washing machine and run a cycle on the hottest water setting you have. Some newer machines have a clean cycle you can use. If you want, you can even pause the machine just after it starts agitating and let it sit for an hour to really soak in. Then we're going to do the same thing, but this time instead of vinegar, sprinkle half a cup of baking soda right into the tub. Then run another hot water cycle. In order to keep your washing machine clean and running smoothly, make sure you wipe it down on a regular basis and do the cleaning once a month. Once you get in the habit, you'll have a washer that always looks and smells its best. It only takes a small amount of time, but can help keep your washer clean and smelling fresh. As always, if you have any questions, we're always happy to help at AppliancePartsPros.com.